We all want our lawns to be lush and green, but in many places, water is in short supply. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about watering without wasting right after this.
Every home has things it needs, things that need to be maintained, fixed, or replaced. The Home Depot is here to help you get it done. You can easily find what you need on our app, order it online with the push of a button, and have it brought to your door with free delivery on over 1 million items. We have the essentials you need, the online know-how you may need to do it yourself, and low prices that make it all possible. The Home Depot, how doers get more done.
No matter how you water your lawn and gardens, it's important not to waste this valuable resource. Whether you control the sprinklers manually or have a timer, be sure they run just long enough to dampen the area. If you have water running off your lawn, you're running them too long. Time of day is also very important. Watering at night can promote disease because the leaves of the plant stay soaked overnight. If you water at midday, most of the water evaporates before it does any good. So the ideal time is early in the morning before the temperatures start to rise. The adjustments of sprinklers is also very important, so you water the lawn instead of the street. So check the pattern of any in-ground sprinkler heads. If you use movable sprinklers, take note of the positions in the yard where they're most accurate. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.